Hi, fellow friends, colleagues, our directors, chairman, and lot more heads of the department of National Mirror Development Corporation. This is Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, who passed out from IIT Kharagpur and joined Cosmoferrites, and later on joined NMDC in R&D Center, headed New Product Development Department in ferrite units, and transferred to Donimalai, where I took up the responsibility of PHJ project under the dynamic and visionary leader Mr. Rana Som. Dear friends, in this short video I want to let you know my experience of NMDC. NMDC is our mother. NMDC is Navratna. It is really a source of lot of wealth to our nation. We earn by selling iron ore, and we earn in thousands of crores. Beloved friends, and these raw materials are source for making steel. But what I find in this organization, there is a vacuum. There are no leaders. Rarely some leaders I have found. That great leader was Mr. Rana Som, who has been my very close friend. I met several directors, but they are very conformist. They are very saturated with the business of NMDC, including Mr. Prabhakaram Tripathi and C.S. Mohan, P.S. Gupta. I have seen so many chairmen and a lot of directors, but I found they don't like to go out of the comfort zone, and they remain in the business of iron ore. So they don't have value for the manpower. All my colleagues who are working for NMDC are brilliant. They are wonderful degree holders. They are the best brains. Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, all the best institutions and organizations, they have supplied manpower to NMDC because we are conducting interview in various training and placement department of IIT Kharagpur. But when they come to IIT Kharagpur or any other organizations, they find a different zone here. No leaders. The heads or the seniors, they are competing with the juniors. They don't have courage, they don't have conviction, they don't have determination, they don't have passion, they don't have sympathy, understanding with them. They are not really mastery of their task because everything is done by the workers. Mining, dumpers operators, jeep operators, our slime operators, and all these operators are really performing the task. And the heroes who really can contribute great to the organization, they are just sitting, behaving like a boss, and treat the juniors like donkeys or cattle. I was one such example. I am really a man who believes in myself, my own power of mind, my own character, and my own personality. I have been a performer. Throughout my life, I have been the best. That was belief, conviction, and that is the capacity of applied determination. I cannot be belittled by ordinary fools who have done nothing in life but simply joined an MDC, and they are rising step by step, day by day, by promotions. A man from rags to riches, and my kingdom is my intellectual growth. A man of the poorest, a man from a very poor family can really be one of the respectable person in this whole country, friends of a lot of great industrialists. It cannot be bought by the whole wealth of the nation. But in NMDC I have a very miserable time. People do not treat us well. They don't promote us. In my 30 years career, I was only one time promoted because I was very confident. I wanted to deliver. I wanted to achieve the goals. But these people generally don't have goals. They don't train people. I came from different background, and I was ready to dedicate and commit myself in any areas and any callings, but they hardly give me opportunity. Thrice I was made the in charge of R&D center, the head of R&D center because of my seniority and my degrees. But these people were so jealous, they never allowed me to work and perform. They never promoted. So what I request to the chairman, honorable chairman and the directors of NMDC, be responsible. He will also retire one day, but Mother NMDC will survive, and Mother NMDC giving everyone so much. Even they are promoted or not, but money-wise they are not less paid. There is hardly little difference in the salaries and wages of the chairman and the ordinary workers. They are almost equally paid. But they should be motivated. They should be happy. Ask any one of the employees of NMDC, are they happy? No. They are tortured. They are exploited. They are not promoted. They are degraded. They are demoralized. They are not motivated. There is no motivation in the employees of NMDC. I was one such example, but I was self-motivated. These fools, I know they are idiots. They don't know what is greatness. They don't know what is supreme belief and confidence in a person. They only see their posts. So many times I have interacted with the highest authority. They showed me the power of the chair. I pulled them off and asked them, tell me, now you are standing. Where is the power? Power lies in the chair. So I request the chairman directors, don't use the power of the chair. Give value to the power of your personality, power of your sincerity, sensibility, power of your duties and responsibility. You are there to run the company, and company is not run by mines or buildings. Company are run by human resources. Every sister and brother who is working for NMDC, they are as important as per the contributions they are making to NMDC organization as the chairman directors. But these people, they only think they are the superhumans, and the ordinary mortals, our sweepers, sisters and brothers, our workers and our managers and our various people who are working at different positions, they are just minimal objects, insects that demoralize the people. You can ask why I was staying still in NMDC when there was a lot of demand for me in the ferrite industries. Because definitely I also become a little sluggish. And I have a partner who always wanted to work for the government. I don't want to work for government. I want to work for my nation. I want to give my blood, 12 tears and sweat for my motherland. I am Subhash Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. These fools cannot belittle me because it is you who value yourself. Whether I die or live, but my flag, my head will be always held high. Remember the words what Rabindranath Tagore said. For the mind is without fear and the head is high. Ekla chalo re, jodi to dak sune kyo no ase, ekla chalo re. Honorable Chairman and the directors, I am not boasting, I am requesting. Please respect your people. Train them, motivate them, and let them know what is leadership. Leadership is setting goals, definite purpose, making alliance partner, working very hard, always believing in your mission, passion, compassion, cooperation, coordination, sympathy, understanding, keen sense of justice, mastery of task, unwavering courage, definiteness of decision, definiteness of planning, cooperations. That way only can make a great organization and great nation. Whether you sell iron ore, and now we are entering into steel industry, still I am a integral part of NMDC organization. Tomorrow you are also going to retire, but feel love for the mother NMDC as I am doing today. So I request the chairman and the directors. I have a lot of experience how people of NMDC are working. They are not coherent forces. They are disintegrated, disorganized forces because they hate, they despise, they deplore, they treat them just like cattle and fodder. They don't give them due respect what they want. But it can be both-sided. Even the workers level and junior level have to be trained how to be sincere and responsible as a junior. And the senior should also behave how they should behave. Another bad thing what we find in NMDC, they don't have focus in achieving the goals of NMDC. They have most of the time personal goals, how they can become rich by unfair means, favoring somebody when they are giving tenders, and so many nonsense which I never want to talk on this platform because NMDC is our mother. The people who work in NMDC, they are all retired almost, but I know a lot more friends P.C. Gupta, Ramesh Kumar, C.S. Mohan. Of course, my favorite was the great Mr. Rana Som, who gave you steel industry of Nagarnar. And of course, C.S. Mohan was also a very close friend of mine. I am very close to Honorable G.V. Krishna Reddy. The campus where I am here belongs to Honorable Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and they are respecting me because I deliver. I will give my blood, 12 tears and sweat because they trust me, and I am loyal, I am honest, I am sincere. I am not a corrupt person. Remove corruption from NMDC. Make them loyal to the organization. Make them seeker who commits, dedicates, make a wonderful team, a smart team. A smart team. Sincere, meditative, creative, realistic, galloping like a horse, attaining the goals. Anything can be done in a much better way. So whether you sell iron ore or whatever you do, I always align my forces with Honorable Rana Som because he loved me. He knows that I am a man with iron willpower, the character of Ekla Chalore Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, the mighty warrior, unparalleled in the history of the world, and Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Believe in yourself. Timidity is your weakness. Lack of self-confidence is really your decay and degradation. That's why Mother India was slave for so many years. So thank you, viewers, sisters and brothers of NMDC. Arise. Be self-believing, self-confidence, courageous, self-reliant person. And honorable chairman and directors, don't demote your people. Promote them time to time. Promotion is must. Promotion is motivation, encouragement and inspiration. By promoting, you are not destroying NMDC treasure wealth. Promotion hardly some hundreds of rupees. But the motivation and inspiration these people get, that will deliver 10,000 times they can do without promotion. I was never promoted, and I tell you, when everyone was getting promotion, I was feeling that I am put on the frying pan, and these fools like Venkatesan, Director Production, Joshi, Director Personal, Tyagarajan, Director Finance, inspiring and motivating my best friend N.K. Nanda to make me down, because I told one of the wife of Tyagarajan that your directors, they are bloody having the reverse microscope, and they look down the employee of NMDC as a tiny object, insects, and they magnify their personality. Fools, change your paradigm. If people like me, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and Subhash Bose can challenge the British Empire. This is not your kingdom, directors and chairman. This is NMDC. It belongs to every sister and brother who is working for this organization. Mother India is equal for everyone. This is a democratic country. And if all the people are brave like me, you have to behave yourself. But to everyone, there has to be first a character, honesty and integrity, humility, generosity, courage and conviction and determination. Unless you have these self-reliance and self-confidence and a very pure and powerful person, you cannot challenge the British Raj. Only Bhagat Singh can challenge, and like-minded people, Chandrasekhar Azad. So if you are like-minded like me, be very dignified, be very respectable, make a very genuine demand if they are not permitting you. Because they have been promoted to director and chairman. Others also deserve to be promoted. Thank you, viewers. Due respect to your chairman, director. I am not angry. I am not talking something illogical, but I am sharing my experience with you. The way they didn't allow me to work is shame. It's shame. Nation, organization, institution cannot be great unless all people are inspired and motivated. They are streamlined, they are trained, they are not criticized, they are not demoralized, they are not unnecessarily put in a lot of pressure by not promoting or talking ill to them. How many people have the courage to challenge the director and chairman? I did it, but I was trained. I am the most humble and simple person. disciple of Buddha Vivekananda. How can I fight? But I have the brave heart. Behave yourself. Your dictatorship cannot dominate me because that wickedness, covered eyes, made India slave for so many years. The brave children of India learn confidence, learn self-respect, self-reliance. Thank you.